So if you're born between May 21st and June 20th, you're a Gemini. So what are their sexual desires? Well, you click this video to find out, and that's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell, please. I like that. That was fresh. Geminis love new adventures and going through new experiences. They get turned on by smarts, literally. Clearly, I don't fit in this category because I'm like literally intelligent conversations. That's their turn on. They are extremely adaptable and independent. Very interestingly though, they can go for weeks, even months without sex, simply because they are focusing on other things or their own goals. Geminis love to have sex outside of the bedroom, so the most random place you could think of, the better. They even find it very thrilling to know that if they could get caught, it's just gonna send their hormones out the fucking roof like. They also like to keep sex light and fun. They ain't with that boring shit. They ain't with the... Nah, they about this. So they enjoy the playful aspect of sex. So if they have a chance to play with them, you're not gonna regret nada, zilch, not a zero. Geminis have a dirty mouth, like dirty talking, sexting. They about that life. Words for them are their sexual weapons. Like, you know, they geared up, they're ready to attack, they are armed, they are strapped, and they're ready to bust loads. Because they are very adventurous, they are very open to most sexual requests. And I say some because some of them are kind of like a no-go for them, but for the most part they are into it, or they're likely to try it out. So there's that. Being surprised in the act will send them crazy. It's no wonder they love the thrill of almost getting caught while having sex outside. It just drives them wild. They can't get enough of it. When it comes to the best sex of Geminis, we're talking Aries and Aquariuses. Geminis love to have sex outside the bedroom. So the most randomals. So if you like this video and you want to check out more of the horoscope sexual desires, I definitely made a playlist so you can check that out. If you or someone you know is Aquarius and you want to figure out what turns them on, I got you. This playlist is gonna cringe so many people.